Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rajiv Rahman, and now I am presenting a excited job offer. So, one of the leading processing and manufacturing shoes company are inviting 5-person full-time employee as processing and manufacturing shoes and bags working. The company located in Yoshikawa City, Saitama Prefecture. They offer a good salary of 200,000 to 250,000 yen per month. So who has daily conversational level Japanese? We request to come our office for an interview on 30th of May 2 p.m. Our office is one of the largest recruiting office of Japan. It's very near from JR Kanda station, only 5 minutes on foot. So don't be hesitate, come first. We are here to help you and you can make your desirable job and fulfill your dreams. Thank you very much.